Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of TTI. As usual, we have another fantastic episode. Join us today as we explore 8 unusual and tiny homes and spaces made for relaxation and comfort. Stick around, I bet you will find something you will love. Eclipse Village. What once was a historic retreat in Zelena Zaba is now Alpha Wellness Center. This beauty you are looking at was designed in 1935 by Boleslav Fuchs, a Czech architect. This wellness center is a pearl not only because of its unique design and exceptional feel. This project is called the Eclipse Village, located in the Slovakia woods. Get pampered, beautified, and relax in these specially designed oases. Built to attract tourists, you will find that these villas are not very expensive even though they are found in the warmest and inviting atmosphere. These spas are located on a somewhat steep hill with no driveway, which means cars will have to stay at the bottom of the hill. The Eclipse Village not only caters to adults but also offers a place for kids to relax. They offer a swimming pool for children and a bowling alley, restaurants, bars, and jacuzzi for the adults. Run along with the cool springs, take a deep breath in nature, catch some sunlight, and relax at the Eclipse Village. Igloo Satellite Cabin. You have to see this cabin that can stand off snow, wind, and even ice in 0-degree temperatures. The Australian company Icewall designed this Igloo Satellite Cabin. These cabins can be flown into remote areas where they are needed the most. A total of 8 panels make up these walls along with 4 supporting floor panels. The material used to make the Igloo Satellite Cabin is prefabricated fiberglass and is around 3 meters to 9 feet. The diameter is 10 inches to 2.1 meters and 6 feet 10 inches high. 8 wires bolted down are used to secure the panels together. All of these wall panels have polyurethane insulation and fiberglass in their makeup. No 2 igloos are the same as they are all customizable, including an extended escape hatch, which is available in several different colors. They all have insulation, ventilation, doors, and windows. Nala. Our next home is truly a nature lover's dream. You are about to see Nala, a minimalist cabin designed by Robin Falk, a designer based in Finland. These homes were made from sustainable materials that cause no harmful impact on the environment. Nala is the size of a small bedroom. They are easily transported and assembled using little to no equipment. Enjoy 0 emissions from fumes and harmful chemicals, and indulge in nature and life. Staying in this cabin, you will have a direct view of nature as the front glass is transparent, offering a clear picture of the surrounding areas. The building itself uses the cradle-to-cradle design, which means it pieces together as a puzzle does. Nala was designed to promote low-impact living and self-sufficiency. While one would not expect a fully furnished space, essential commodities are included. You will find a solar panel that provides renewable energy supply, a stove that runs on renewable fuel made 100% from waste. AIRSHIP 002. This list keeps getting better and better. Roderick James Architects designed a Scottish masterpiece. A tiny pod was made as a retreat located along the Scottish coastlines. The one you are looking at is a prototype looking over the Isles of Mull. These pods were inspired by submarines and are covered in aluminum. One would be surprised just how organized and compact this small space is. This house features 2 domed glass walls on both sides of the building, offering a great view. It has a kitchen, a wooden deck, a bedroom that can hold a queen-size bed, outdoor seating on the sides, and much more surprises. Let us know below if you would take a vacation in one of these airships. ARCHIPOD. Our next design is by Chris Neesby. He called them the ARCHIPOD. They are garden office buildings built on beautiful garden lawns. They are ergonomic and organized, and what people seem to admire most is that they are like nothing you will see around town. This entire unit, including the concrete foundation, is delivered and assembled from one package. All they need is a telephone connection and electricity supply. Internally, the unit has a 9-foot diameter and is around 6 inches. The top of the pod is approximately 8 feet 3 inches from the floor. In case you were wondering, the material used to make the wall are curved plyboard, compressed fiberglass for insulation with a plasterboard finish. The pod is blessed with natural light and ventilation from the 3 feet 4 inch roof made of polycarbonate. ABOD shelters. Most of us who have come across organizations like the medical NGOs, ABOD Shelters Foundation, WHO, UNICEF, and other charitable organizations. Here we will talk about ABOD Shelters Foundation. You can find accommodation like this one in Tanzania. They also have been spotted in Zambia, Ghana, and South Africa. With this easy-to-assemble home, thousands of families have been saved from the heat and the cold. This is one reason outside sources like to lend a helping hand with funding and sponsorships. These homes are 10 feet wide and 12 feet long and can be built by 5 persons in approximately 20 hours. The material used on these homes is fire-resistant, contains a translucent plastic panel for heavy rain. Tumbleweed Roanoke. Can you believe that this tiny home has a 10-foot ceiling? This home is called the Roanoke and was made by Tumbleweed Tiny Houses. You would be shocked to know that up to 6 persons can fit into this home comfortably. Both the living area and the kitchen can be found on the lower levels along with the loft. This loft can be easily transformed into a bedroom or a space for extra storage. In terms of numbers, the square footage of this home is between 161 to 219 feet. The loft is another 29 to 96 square footage depending on the floor plan you choose. This home can be either 20 or 26 feet long with a height of 13 feet. When dry, this tiny home's weight is between 9,000 to 12,000 pounds and starts at the cost of $62,950. Villa SUNNANO. In this beautiful escape, designed by Merman Architecture, you see the wooden barn look on this Swedish masterpiece. This villa is seated in a beautiful landscape that finishes this already fantastic atmosphere. Each room is uniquely designed to flow as a continuation of the main living space. The rooms are pointed in 6 opposing directions, creating the formation of a star. No matter where you find yourself in the house, you will be standing face to face with nature and inhaling tranquility. The large windows and transparent walls made sure of that. With all the patios bracketed and pointing to the lake, one can imagine how peaceful it must be here. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for stopping by. It is always great having you here. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.